So, our next speaker is the creator of Missionerong Puppet. Sa mga may hilig sa puppet dyan, okay? A person of ministry with its own social media channel, YouTube, Facebook, page, and TikTok. So please follow Missionerong Puppet. Dedicated to sharing Christ-centered values through original songs, compositions, and ventriloquism. A gifted songwriter and musician, he writes and composes all the songs featured in Missionerong Puppet. He served as a global leadership course mentor at Christ Commission Fellowship or CCF Marikina Satellite and is a full-time CCF Elevate Mini educator. With his God-given talent in ventriloquism, he brings joy and biblical truth to children and families alike. He is also one of the active speakers and event coordinator to CCF Montalban Outreach. Professionally, Bro Robert works as full-time IT service desk engineer at New Era Software and Technology Philippines. Behind his ministry and career, he treasures his role as a husband to his beloved wife, Sis Rosel G. Casareno, and as a father to their daughter, Aletea Gale. His life mission is to be a faithful witness of the gospel of Jesus Christ, spreading the good news at every opportunity God provides. So let's all welcome Bro Robert Casareno. Bro, welcome po.
Magandang hapon po, magandang hapon po. Ayan, at sa pong karangalan na maging part po nitong ministry na ito. By the way, unahin ko munang mag-share, no? Kasi mahirap pag isa na lang yung kamay yung gumagana. So I hope everybody can see my screen. Let me just, okay. Yan. So now I'll open the PowerPoint. Yan. Bago ko tawagin, alam mo itong kasama ko masyadong demanding to eh. Kaya bago ko siya tawagin, nakaset up na dapat ako. Oo. Ayan, please bear with me, okay? Ito pong kasama ko dito ay si Karodni, no? Isa po siyang Batanggenyo, pero marami tayong matututunan sa kanya when handling family. So without further ado, gusto kong tawagin yung aking tropa. Karodni, natutulog ka, pambira. Ano ba 'yan? Gising na. Ito na, nandito na. Ready na tayo. Oo, yan na, oh. Okay. Ang gandang araw ho sa inyong lahat. Teka, sandali. Hindi noon boto yung yan eh. Hindi mo ba nabasa? Parenting to. Ganon. Oo. Kaya magtuturo tayo yung magiging paano ba yung pag-handle ng parents. Ayan. So, siguro we can now proceed. Ayan. So, anong gagawin mo, Karodni? Anong gagawin mo? Tinawag mo ko din eh. Bahala ka. Sasuot lang ako sa iyo.